have a few of those in the song. Now I'm going to be playing choruses 1 and 2 in this video because they're the same with a, well, very, very slight difference, but I'll show that to you in a minute. Let's go and play that at the full speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we have it. That was chorus 1. So what happens here? This is kind of a similar thing to what happened in the pre-chorus, but just richer because we've got the power chords now. So I've got an F sharp power chord here. So fingers 1 and 3, low E and A strings. And yeah, just doing a downstroke for my right hand. And then the same thing happens on the next set of strings. So A and D strings. That's going to be C power chord going down to a B power chord. So I'm starting from the 3rd fret, 3rd and 5th, and then 2nd and 4th.